Live from the command center, JW Solar USA. Right now, what I have here is a PCB Way project sponsored by PCB Way. And this is a PCB board, there's a Busbar, and this one can handle high voltage, about 16.5 volts, and is a parallel series configuration with a balancing. It's also a balance board. You can put your balancers here, on the board to get the batteries balanced. And this is for the LEV60 LiFePO4 batteries. You guys have seen them. It's a 74 amp hours times 2. That's why it can handle up to 4800, because it's you see here, there's a parallel right here. How everything's set up is a parallel, and you can see that configuration. It comes to the bus bars. This is where the positive is gonna be, and here is gonna be the negative. And the aluminum bus bars are already set up here. They're already cut for heavy duty. This board can surge up to about 1200 amps. Okay, and the batteries itself, the cell can go up to about 600 amps for 10 seconds. Then it can go continuous to it drops. But I already have the batteries. I've been talking about it, and this is the PCB board for it. And you can see this is for instead of a 4S, this is gonna be a 6S configuration. There you go. See, you can see it's a 1200 amps. It's a 10S. See what I'm saying? They can go all the way to 18.5 volt max. Will depend how you want to set your batteries to be charged. And this is what I have here today for you guys live on the channel. And let's stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing you next how we're going to configure this board to something else where the battery is going to be sitting, so you can see where these are all the terminals where it's going to be the positive, negatives, and you will see they have all the configuration. I think it's kind of cool thing. So you can get it Jake, I think it's a Jake 35, you know the guy I'm talking about is on, I think it's California, and we can get all this stuff right here. Take this tip, so I'll do that later. So they designed this board purposely for these batteries for people with a car audio stuff. And it's a nice PCB. It's a Busbar. It's called as a Busbar. And we can able to get the ends. Now, this guys is gonna be right here for the positive, where they're gonna tie here. It sits right here. And the other one's gonna sit right here for the negative. So 2 of them. So you can throw Busbars on top when you already set the batteries. You can throw the Busbars if you want to do that configuration. You can hand it like this, but I'm not gonna screw these guys with the nuts and the lock washer. I don't want to do it to crack this one. I'll put this one sits there. I throw a Busbar. They sell the Busbars too. The Busbars are just like this. You see, you can go to series. It's designed just like this. I think they run 25 bucks, or maybe 10 or 15 bucks a piece, plus they charge you for shipping anyway. So they have a special bus bars. They're just like this. That was designed. Almost forgot about telling you guys about this. And this is the other ones they create. They can handle up to about 1200 amps, you know, for a short time, live here at the command center at JW Solar USA. And thanks for watching. We're gonna be making a massive battery here. This is for 12-volt system, and they have another other ones for 48-volt system with a 16S. They have a narrow, skinny ones, and they have the wider ones. So this one sits really well with the batteries, and we can see exactly how everything works on this. I'll put the configuration on the thumbnail to see how everything goes. So these are like 10 batteries, 10 cells. So you have a 74. If you series, they have a 74 times 2. That gives you 148. So one module is going to be 148 amp hours. So if you have 4 of these, 12, 24, 36, 48, so 10, about 40 cells. You need to have 40 cells. So maybe you can able to series this, but I have to ask the question. But they have a 48-volt one that is already set up. It's just expensive. Just for that board is going to be, I think it's $150 for it. Okay, this one runs about $49, almost $50. But I got a good deal for this. I bought this one, I think, for $40, something like that. And that's the only last one left. And now I've seen I think these are custom made. I just saw they posted another one, which is $49.99. It's only one available. I think they don't make that many. So because the custom made. So you can see the batteries or the cells have this kind of cut right here, like the vent where it's venting. So yeah. So all the cuts is designed. I'll show you on the next video how everything works here. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on for any video I'm going to be posting. You can be notified when new things are happening and any of our new uploads. Bye for now.